This consumer update is brought to you by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration.
FDA regulates a wide range of products, including food and life-saving medicines. The agency helps safe and effective products reach the market. In most cases, a recall results from a mistake by the company, rather than from an intentional disregard for the law.
On March 22, 1990, the FDA banned the dietary supplement L-Tryptophan, also known simply as tryptophan. Tryptophan is a safe, natural amino acid that is normally derived from protein-rich foods. It effectively eliminates depression, especially when combined with other nutritional augmentations. It is assumed to work by balancing serotonin levels inside the brain. On March 26, just 4 days after the tryptophan ban, Newsweek featured a front-page article praising the virtues of the revolutionary new antidepressant drug, Prozac, and its supposedly innovative way of altering serotonin inside the brain. It is something that tryptophan, from organic meats, had been doing naturally for humans for thousands of years. Prozac's marketing blitz, beginning with it being featured by Newsweek, happened just 4 days prior to the FDA's ban of Prozac's competition, tryptophan, which is a little too convenient when considering that tryptophan had been safely sold for decades prior. Instead of penalizing the single Japanese manufacturer who had been responsible for tainted shipments of tryptophan, which would have been the standard FDA policy for any other substance, the FDA categorically banned tryptophan as an illegal substance. This behavior strongly suggests a collusion between Eli Lilly Pharmaceuticals, the FDA, and Newsweek's parent company, the Daily Beast.
There have been very few reported cases of people becoming sick or dying from taking unapproved or counterfeit drugs. The FDA is concerned because the trade is growing so fast. The FDA is concerned because the trade is growing so fast. In 2008, 81 people died in the U.S. after being given the blood thinner heparin. Ingredients for its manufacture came from China. Heparin is made from pig intestines in some mom-and-pop operations like this one, shown on the Wall Street Journal's website, where there is virtually no quality control.
Callers had heard news that cyanide-contaminated Tylenol capsules had killed 6 people in Chicago. Authorities suspect sabotage. Medical authorities in Chicago are recommending that no one take the Tylenol capsule until authorities obtain more information.
Well, in the case of Vioxx, there are already thousands of cases, not only in the U.S., but around the world.
Almost immediately after it was introduced, some patients began complaining of side effects.
Johnson & Johnson's McNeil Consumer Healthcare Unit continued to ship the tainted bottles of infants and children's Tylenol. In total, McNeil had shipped over 8 million bottles.
Prozac had only been on the market since 1988, but it never became popular until tryptophan was out of the way.
Oh, in the name of God, now I know what it feels like to be God.